Friends, as you know, Nigel Farage of Reform UK Party recently resigned from the MP-ship of British Parliament. He resigned because the British Parliament was investigating for his 5 million donation from Christopher Horborn, the UK-born billionaire cryptocurrency businessman living in Thailand now, and British Parliament people were asking Nigel Farage why he gave him this money and why he did not declare this money with the HMRC. The thing is, Nigel Farage created Brexit Party during 2019, and the same Christopher Horborn gave that Brexit Party £10 million to support the Brexit. And you know the results of Brexit, that it was actually separated, UK was separated from European Union, and which has put UK in a deterioration of economy. And now, for Reform UK Party, he is donating so much money to put this party forward, and their dream is that Nigel Farage will become the Prime Minister. What are his ambitions? What are his objectives? The main objective of his speeches is that why the immigrants are dominating in this country, or why the immigrants are influxing in this country. And his objective is why the people of UK, the British citizens, are not giving the jobs instead of the people who are immigrants or who are migrants or who are actually living the similar life in UK. It is very much obvious that there is some feeling, or there is some support of some hidden hands that want UK to become a weak economy. And that's why they supported Brexit Party to make UK out of the European Union. And when UK became out of European Union, slowly and gradually it has become difficult for them to survive in the economy. In addition to that, there are some incidents happened recently. For example, a policeman took a white man in a house of Southampton, and the white man was saying that I'm injured and why are you taking me? I have been stabbed with knife, and why are you taking me? And on the instigation of a sick person, police took him, and that person died later. This incident also provoked the people who support racism. And this country is actually running from impartial and a beautiful democracy since about a century. This attitude and this historical background and this historical events of British Parliament are actually the beauty of UK's natural life and UK's values. And now the police is investigating Nigel Farage, and he stood against the Keir Starmer, and he said that the Keir Starmer was not able to grow the economy, and he was against him in the parliament. And now he himself is in doldrums. So we need to see which are the hidden hands who wants the British democracy to be broken, to be deteriorated. Which are those hands?